Hey, it's Crazy Breno RC here. We've went and bought the Arrma Outcast 4S BLX stunt truck today. I bought this one to give the Arrma 4S a bit of a challenge, but we've got to run it in first, so let's see what this has got. Let's see if we can do a fronty, backflip. Got the sender out for a few quiet jumps. Let's go! Straight over the head, guys. Oh yeah. Alright, last jump, guys. Nice. Oh. Alright guys, that's first jumps of the Outcast. It's actually not too bad. No brakes. I had a pretty big crunch on one wheel there. Not bent or anything. First impressions, I might have to say this is a very cool, fun RC car to use. Alright guys, in the next video we're going to put this up against the new Arrma 4S and we're going to see who's got the better RC car. Is it Arrma or is it Team Corelli in the 4S world? Stay tuned to see, guys, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.